Hi, and here's a video about a circle. The circle C has equation x minus 5 all squared plus y minus 3 all squared is equal to 5. The lines L1 and L2 are each a tangent to the circle. This is L1, this is L2, and they intersect at the point 0, 8. Find the equations of L1 and L2 given your answers in the form y is equal to mx plus c. Okay, so the circle has a centre 5, 3, which we can get from the equation of the circle, and a radius of root 5, which we can get from the equation of the circle. Not really going to help us in this problem, but it's always good to know that. Now, because both tangents go through the point 0, 8, they will be of the form y is equal to mx plus 8. Using the fact that y is equal to mx plus c, and c is the y-intercept, where m will need to be found. So we'll need to find two values of m which satisfy these equations. Okay, so just layering up the diagram. We're going to call this one y is equal to m1x plus 8, and this one will be y is equal to m2x plus 8. So, writing down the equation of the circle, we'll call that equation 1. And the general form of these equations of the tangent, y is equal to mx plus 8, we'll call equation 2. We will now substitute equation 2 into equation 1. So everywhere there's a y here, we will replace it with mx plus 8. So we're going to get x minus 5 all squared. We're going to change the y to mx plus 8. Still got the minus 3. Still got to square the whole of that bracket. It's still equal to 5. Just simplifying a little bit before we expand, we're going to get x minus 5 squared plus mx, 8 minus 3 gives me 5, all squared is equal to 5. Squaring, we're just going to get x squared minus 10x plus 25. And here we just need to be a little bit careful, so we're going to get m squared x squared, 2 lots of 5 times mx, so it's going to be 10mx, plus 25 is equal to 5. Right, collecting the x squared terms together, we're going to get m squared plus 1. So we've got m squared x squared here and 1 here. And that's the coefficient of x squared. Of x, we're going to have 10m minus 10, lots of x. And then 25 plus 25 minus 5 will give me plus 45. And this is equal to 0. Now, for these two lines to be tangents to this circle, the discriminant of this quadratic equation will have to be equal to 0. So b squared minus 4ac will be equal to 0. This is a, this is b, this is c. So b will be 10m minus 10, but we'll need to square that, minus 4 times a, which is m squared plus 1, times c, which is 45, and we need to put that equal to 0. Look, we've got b squared minus 4ac is equal to 0. So now just working with this. Okay, so we just need to expand this. So we're going to get 100m squared minus 200m plus 100 is squaring that. Here we just need to be a bit careful. So we're going to get 4 times m squared times 45, which is minus 180m squared. And then minus 4 times 1 times 45, which will give me minus 180, still equal to 0. Collecting up the m squared terms, we're going to get 100 minus 180, which is minus 80, minus 200m, and then 100 minus 180 will give me minus 80 is equal to 0. Dividing through by minus 40, it's good to make this positive. We're going to get 2m squared plus 5m plus 2 is equal to 0. This is an easy quadratic to factorise. It factorises into m plus 2, 2m plus 1 is equal to 0, which will give you that m1 is minus 2, which is the steeper of these two lines, and the m2 is equal to minus a half. And therefore the equations of the tangents, so don't forget to answer the question, is L1 is y is equal to minus 2x plus 8, and L2 is y is equal to minus a half x plus 8. And over here we have the diagram showing it drawn in GeoGebra. Equation of the circle, the centre, the equation of L1, the equation of L2 here. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to find the equations of a tangent drawn from a point of two lines which are tangents to the circle. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching. Maybe you could consider subscribing to my channel, where you'll find thousands of videos to help you with A-level maths. And then in the link of this video, you'll find a link to my video site website, which will also support you in your study for A-level maths. I thank you very much for watching. Bye-bye.